Alright everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is the second version of the step index strategy. This is the one for the volatility 75. I believe you still understand how this strategy works, okay? When this mark the 88 level and at the same time having crossing over on your main chart, that is a confirmation for you to take this trade. But nevertheless, you want to combine this strategy with the price action just to confirm you don't enter a false signal. Alright fam, on the way it is now, I'm just gonna use this present market to explain the whole or lot of everything in this video. The way it is now, this signal is late. Before we dive into the explanation, I'm just gonna give you the setup of the strategy because I know that is what you are waiting for. Or if you have watched the other version of the strategy, I don't really want to waste your time watching this video because I believe you already know how it works. Alright, so if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell so you can get notified whenever I upload a new video on my new strategy. So firstly, I'm having two indicators on my main chart. I have the moving average period 20, shifty zero method is linear weight and apply to with a close that is 2 pixel and no levels. When you're done with this, you just click on done. The color is red, so just apply the red moving average on your main chart. Alright, so the next moving average is the period 50, shifty zero method is linear weight, apply to previous indicator data and start use to picture. The color is black, and when you're done like this, you just click on done. So you just apply this black moving average on your main chart. So indicator, which is this window indicator one, I'm only having the relative strength index. The period is 1500, apply to close star is 3 pixel, and the level is level 12 and the level 88. When you're done with this, you just go back and click on done. Alright, and the last moving average is the MACD. The MACD fast SMA is 20, slow SMA is 80, MACD SMA is 6, apply to close. Main is 1 pixel and the signal is 3 pixel. The first color is blue and the second color is red. When you're done with this, you click on done. Alright, if you have done what I just mentioned so far, your main chart and your window indicator chart should look exactly like this, just like my own. Or just like I said, if you've watched the previous version of the strategy, you don't have much time to watch this video till the end. But nevertheless, if you watch this video till the end, you're not gonna regret that because I'm about to show you, alright, some price action tricks on how to confirm indicator, on how to combine indicator with the price action. Alright, using the 4 hours time frame, but most professional traders said 1 hour time frame is still the best using to analyze market if you are intraday trader. I mean a daily trader. So I'm gonna, the way it is now, I'm gonna mark my spot of entry on my 5 minutes time frame. Alright, this is the way it is. I'm having this where my confirmation be made, and this is my entry point. I'm gonna use this as my entry point. This top, I mean this other shoulder. Alright, so let's move back to our 1 hour time frame. Let me say, if you are a Fibonacci retracement trader, alright, is the way you look at chart, then you know what is best for it. Like, just gonna adapt with the skills or the tools you're gonna use to trade it. Alright, you can't be a trend line trader and then you come and say you want to trade trend line with this kind of market. Okay, you just, they have many patterns of price action trader. You just have to look for the one that is better suited to your signal. Alright, the way it is, I'm looking at this chart now. If you're a Fibonacci retracement trader, this is for you. Alright, just trust me. Alright, I'm just gonna locate my Fibonacci retracement now. This is Fibonacci retracement. Alright, let me just zoom this a little bit. Alright, if you have Fibonacci retracement, I'm just gonna use this eye here and this eye here. This is our potential profit. Now let me first lay this horizontal line so it's not gonna affect. Alright, remember this is our entry point, this horizontal line. I'm gonna be using the candlestick body and not the wicks. Alright, I'm not gonna be using the wicks at this point of time. To me, the wicks are just noises. Alright, okay. Alright, confirmed. If you are a Fibonacci retracement trader and when you see this market coming from this point, alright, it hit this point, goes back, okay, to fill in the void and trying to consolidate. Okay, this is noise. It breaks down forcefully and went back to close some void. Alright, on its way going back, it hits your 50 level of Fibonacci retracement. Alright, if you are a price action trader, that is a confirmation for you to take this trade. Alright, on your 5 minutes time frame. Alright, apparently 50 level of Fibonacci retracement got hit on this last red candle. By the way, this is our potential profit. So you go back to your 5 minutes time frame. In your 5 minutes time frame, this is your Fibonacci retracement 50 level. Alright, and this is another price action on this 5 minutes time frame. We have the pattern of head, shoulder and shoulder. We have the head here, and this is the first shoulder and this is the second shoulder. Alright, if you're also a price action trader, that is another confirmation for you to take this trade. Alright, at this stop here, which is the head, that is where your 58% Fibonacci retracement got hit, and it comes back, create another shoulder, and on its way creating this shoulder, you have a confirmation for your trade. Right? If you took this trade, you won this trade successfully from this point to this point area. Alright, let's look for another tool for trading price action on our higher time frame. Let's say for instance you are not a Fibonacci retracement trader. Let me just delete all these tools. Just gonna delete all this shit. Alright, let me go back to my 5 minutes time frame, mark my point again. I have my entry point at this point, and okay, this is my entry point. This is where my condition was fully made on the 5 minutes time frame. So I'm gonna modernize this to the higher time frame and see what we got. If you are a channel trader, alright, I'm just gonna do one trade now. Let's say this, we have a channel here. Alright, this is a triangle channel. The way it is now, this market created a high here, move back to this point, then go back to close this void, and started consolidating. Alright, at this point of time, we have the series of buyer and series of sellers in this range, and they are fighting for who is going to win the battle. Alright, and eventually the sellers won the battle and they broke this channel from this point to this point. As a professional price action trader, you don't take this kind of move. Alright, so you have to wait for the market to retest your channel, and that is a confirmation for you to take a trade. Alright. Even this kind of move, this one you're seeing here, this last red candle, as a professional price action trader, you don't take this kind of move. There is a void here, which means this market is coming back to this point before going back. Alright, just have to be patient. Alright, definitely it will always come back to close a void before going back to its normal direction. Right. Though sometimes you can have a strong move in the market, okay, it will never come back to it to close the void, but on and on, or let me say mostly, it always comes back to close the void before going back to its normal direction of retreat. Alright, just like the way it is now, we got our proper confirmation on this 1 hour time frame. This is this same red candle that confirms our entry. This same red candle. Alright, if I channel trader, alright, without even using indicator, you can take your entry point from this place and take this trade. Alright, so let's go back to our 5 minutes time frame again. So we are having our channel confirmation at this point, which is this line pattern. This is the first head, second head, this is the first head, first shoulder. The market is trying to create the second shoulder, which is our entry point. And by the way, we are having our first confirmation here and second confirmation to take this trade. Alright, if you're also a channel trader, you're gonna take this trade and drive this trend from this point to this point on your 5 minutes time frame. Alright, that is it. You just have to study and master price action and know how to use it according to what the market says. Alright, that is the way it is. Thank you for watching this video. I really appreciate it, guys. If this is your first time of watching my video, please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell, like this video, share this video. Until next time, I wish you all best of luck and good trading strategy. Thank you.